Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can install Paramount Plus on your Samsung TV. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step instructions on how to do this. So I have a smart remote here. This is kind of a newer Samsung Smart TV, but this should work with all your TVs that are probably around the 2018 and newer mark. So first thing that you're going to want to do, get your remote controls, hit the home button on your remote, and it should bring up this menu icon that's here on the bottom. Let me go ahead and turn down the volume here. Okay, and you're going to want to go down to the very bottom and go to where that magnifying glass is right there. Click on that. That'll search for the apps. So then you're going to want to go to the menu here and type in Paramount Plus. Okay, so once you start typing in a few of the letters, you'll see it pop up there at the top. And you want to click on that one that has the Paramount Plus app on top results. Or you can go down here where it says apps and click on that. Then it'll start to load the Paramount Plus app and install it. Okay, there it goes. Now, since I do have a Paramount Plus account, it automatically logged me in because I had it before, but if you don't have it, it'll open up to the menu where you have to sign in and create an account, or if you already have one, you'll just sign in and with your login credentials. But yeah, that's the easy way to install Paramount Plus on your Samsung TV. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.